Hello friends, welcome back to English class. I hope you are well and enjoying your online study. Children, today we are going to start a grammar topic, and the name of the topic is adjective and its kind. Children, I know you have already learned this chapter in your previous class, but today through this video we will revise the topic adjective and learn some new things about the kinds of adjective. So shall we start? Okay. First, we should know what is an adjective. As you can see here in the given picture, an adjective describes a noun. An adjective tells us about the taste, the color, the smell, how it looks, the size, how it feels, sounds, number, behavior, or so many other things. In proper word, the definition of adjective is an adjective is a word that is used to add something to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. In short, we can say adjectives are describing words. They tell us, they give us more information about the noun or pronoun. Now, how do we identify the adjective? So, to identify the adjective, you should raise question. Adjective answer the questions like what kind, which one, how many, how much, whose. So, answer of these questions generally refer to an adjective. Now, let's see the example of adjective. Mango is a juicy fruit. So, what kind of fruit is mango? Juicy. So, what kind is a question? So, juicy is an adjective. My aunt has a wooden house. So, here wooden is the word which is describing house. So, wooden is an adjective. The old man is carrying a heavy box. Children, in this sentence there are two adjectives. One, the old, which is the describing word of man. And what kind of box is? Heavy. So, the adjectives are old and heavy. And the next sentence, next example is I have two eyes. So, two is depicting the number of eyes. So, two is also an adjective. Now, let's learn the kinds of adjective. Children, there are 8 kinds of adjective. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective, distributive adjective, and proper adjective. So now let's learn these kinds of adjective one by one. First, adjective of quality. As by name only you can understand that this kind of adjective tell us the quality of a noun, quality of a person or thing or a place, etc. Quality means quality like size, what is the size, age, shape, color, taste, touch, behavior, smell, and many more. So the quality, focus on quality. So the words which tell us about the quality, they are the adjective of quality. The rose is a beautiful flower. The tall boy is a cricketer. The hard-working students get excellent results. So here, beautiful, tall, hard-working, and excellent. They are the adjectives, and they are the adjectives of quality. Now next is adjective of quantity. Quantity, I hope you understand quantity. Quantity is amount. Quantity which we cannot count. Okay, so uncountable. These adjectives indicate the amount or the quantity of things. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Knowledge we cannot count, so we use little. She found sufficient milk in the jug. I have much work to do. So little, sufficient, much. They are the adjectives of quantity. Next is adjective of number, or you can call it numeral adjective. These adjectives, by the name you can understand, these adjectives tell us about the number. As we have already seen in the example, I have 2 eyes, so 2 tell us the number, so that is adjective of number. Now children, for further information I just want to tell you, these adjectives are subdivided in 2 categories. One is definite numeral adjective and indefinite numeral adjective. Definite numeral adjective means fixed number like 2, 4, 7. And indefinite numeral adjective means which number is not fixed, like some, many. Okay. One thing more children, that these adjectives is used before the countable nouns. So when you have to identify the adjectives, you need not to write definite numeral adjective or indefinite numeral adjective. You simple write adjective of number. Like there are 7 days in a week. 7 is the fixed number, so definite numeral adjective. But if you have to write, you can simply write adjective of number. I have many friends in my class. The boy won the first prize. So 7, many, first, second, 12, they all are called the adjective of number. Next is demonstrative adjective. Demonstration, you know, the adjective that points out a particular person, thing or animal. That is called demonstrative adjective. Like this book is mine. We are pointing out a particular book. So this, that, these, those, such, these words are demonstrative adjective. And children, here I want to tell you that if these words are used before noun, then they are the demonstrative adjective. Like this book. But if we are using this is my book, then this is not demonstrative adjective. In that case, this will be a pronoun. But here, this book. So this, that, these, those, these words are used before noun, then they are demonstrative adjective. Next is interrogative adjectives. Very easy. By the name only you can understand. Interrogative adjectives are used with nouns to ask a question. Like example, what color is your hair? Whose house is this? Which fruit do you like? So again here children, these adjectives are used before noun. So they become interrogative adjective. Next is possessive adjective. Possessive. Now you have already understood noun in possessive case, possession. So possessive. These adjectives which denote the nouns to show possession, to show some belongingness or relation, they are called possessive adjectives. Like my brother is a pilot. I really need your support. Our classroom is big and airy. So my, your, are, they are possessive adjective. Okay. Next is distributive adjective. Distributive means one by one. Distribution separately when we talk about. So the words like every, each, either, neither, they are the distributive adjectives. Example, if we see, each child will get a prize. So we are talking about the each and every one child. There are trees on either side of the road. Every man has his duties. So each, either, every, they are distributive adjectives. Next is very easy, proper adjectives. And proper adjectives are formed with proper noun. Like Japanese, American, Indian, Chinese, French. So they are the proper adjective. For example, Japanese machines are better than Chinese one. So Japanese machines, if we talk about in expanded form, machines which are made in Japan. So adjective form we will say Japanese machine. Indian soldiers are very brave. Soldiers of India. Okay, that is a noun. But if we are turning in adjective, Indian soldiers are very brave. I want to learn Korean dance. So dance of Korea. So in adjective form what we will use? I want to learn Korean dance. So Japanese, Chinese, Indian, Korean, they are the example of proper noun, proper adjective. So children, I hope you have understood the adjective and the kinds of adjective. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.